So today Dashu is going to make fidget challenge.
Hi, today I'm morning.
So ಇವಾಗ ಫಿಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣವಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ದಶು ಒಂದು ಫಿಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Which is that color?
Blue.
Yes.
Color blue.
Yes.
Mr. Blue.
Mr. Blue.
Yeah.
Good.
He's strong.
Strong.
Yeah.
Okay, ಇವಾಗ
My dad is strong.
your dad is strong.
Yeah.
Okay. Now ಇವಾಗ ತಿರುಗಿಸು. Wow. Cool, dude.
One stupid fidget. Here you.
Which is this color?
Black.
Yes.
Mr. Black.
Mr. Black. Wow. Super.
Oh, one more step.
2. Which is this color?
White. Mr. White.
Mr. White. Yes.
Your favorite, right?
No, my favorite color is black. Your favorite color?
Gray.
Yes. Wow. In which pose and all you're doing.
Whoa. You why laughing?
Yeah, this is special one, right?
This is light is coming green.
Yeah. Let me help you.
Oh, what is it?
Okay, so she's taking the light power.
Yeah, it's not power. It's light. It's not
Yes. Okay, so shall I off now?
Yeah.
From this side. Show me.
See green.
So in this we can find green color. So I hope you have seen.
Yeah. Hey, see.
Yeah.
What about cricket?
Okay, so tell them bye.
Bye.
Hey, no. Today there is a change.
Why?
You're going to tell a rhyme.
What?
Yeah. Tell me some rhyme. Come this side. Tell me rhyme.
Twinkle, where the stars, how I wonder up the sky, how high can make the sky,
Like a diamond in the sky. So this is star. Star. Twinkle, twinkle.
Triangle.
Yes. You know how to draw star.
Yeah.
Good.
Star. Star
Yes.
3, 4 sky curve.
Cool, bro.
Hey, see you.
Okay. So bye, guys. Subscribe.
Bye, guys. Subscribe. See this magnet.
Bye bye.